Hi, I'm Raymond, and we're down in beautiful downtown Grafton. We are literally 300 yards from Lake Ontario, with the conservation on one side and a load of quite nice houses all around. We chose to convert to natural gas because it was available. We'd looked at natural gas when we built the house and it wasn't available, so we went to oil. In 2023, Enbridge were running the line, so we converted straight away, immediately. We were running the house on oil and we ran out of oil, and I talked to them, saying we were using electric heat at the time. And the other was the furnace was actually getting quite old and we were thinking we're going to have to change it anyway. So the timing was perfect for us. So from having no heat on the Friday, say, we were fully gas heated by Wednesday afternoon. Great. The process was very smooth. Enbridge was helpful at every opportunity, friendly, professional, and they would always stop and talk. Yeah, it's pretty convenient. You don't have to worry about running out because it's at the door, and there's nobody having to come and fill an oil tank anymore. Piece of cake, yeah. And we have the peace of mind. It's just get up and it's there. I would have no hesitation in saying do it, because it's easy, it's clean, it's painless. And that's all you can ask for.